you doing? Huh? That's Samson. Thor is over here. There's Thor. You crazy dogs. So we used he used our Pro Series pellet grill that I got for Mother's Day. So that was with some good food. Some steak, or some chicken, some sausage. So it was awesome. So we finally got this patio set put together. Lots of cussing. It took both of us to do the table. I got the table together, but it's got some scuffs and scratches from trying to get it flipped and trying to get it one of the screws underneath in. That was not fun. So that's what we did today, my friends. So let's go check out the garden. I still have another video to do here in a little bit, but for another channel. So let's go. Oh wow, look at our tomatoes. Wow, that's insane. There's 2 there. Oh, we need to move these. I gotta do something with those onions. But yeah, we're gonna have to, I need to get him to get me some more zip ties, and we need to, yeah, this is gonna end up being craziness. But yeah, there's another one down there. There's one there. So we've got, oh, there's 2 down there actually. Wow, and that one's getting a spot. But I did take one out and I had to throw it off because it was looking really bad. But these look good. There's a tiny one there, some more blooms down there. So I pulled a carrot, and this is from several days ago because I just left it out here. But these carrots have the largest tops and the tiniest carrots. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I was thinking I might pull one of these big ones. So yeah, see, look. There is like no carrot. So I'm just gonna let them keep going, see what happens. I'll just chunk this one because there's nothing to it. Nothing to it at all. So can we I'll wait till later to talk to you. Woo! We got some big peppers over here. These right here. Look, there's some big old peppers. That's insane. He watered these today. They don't even look water. They're barely wet. And I get all these weeds and things out of here. And all this terrible bindweed that I cannot get rid of. It's overtaking the big part of the garden. What do we have on here? We got some little stuff going on there. And more bindweed over here. This stuff does not go away. If you have a remedy that won't kill my plants, let me know, because I cannot get that eradicated at all. But we're out here. Let's go. rest of this garden. We got lots and lots of blooms on our tomatoes. Wow. That's crazy. And lots of weeds. Lots of weeds. Looks like we might have lots of peppers. These are onions and garlic. So I don't know. I've never done onions before like this, so I don't know if I'm supposed to like go ahead and like pull them when they start some kind of something that could be it very well could be cucumbers, but I don't know. But like this onion right here, it has, I don't know what to think this thing, I mean it's tiny, but look, tiny with all this stuff attached.